how to connect DJI Mic Mini to iPhone via Bluetooth using DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, this is my iPhone and this is my DJI Mic Mini. And to connect this DJI Mic Mini to iPhone, you'll have to do is first go to DJI Mimo app and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. So here in DJI Mimo app homepage, tap the camera icon below. And now searching for Bluetooth. So make sure DJI device is power on and place it near your mobile phone. Turn on the DJI Mic Mini, press the power button, and you can see the indicator light is green blinking. So if the light is blinking green, means the DJI Mic Mini is on. So to link or to connect via Bluetooth the DJI Mic Mini to your mobile phone, you'll have to do is press the link button here. Press and hold, and after that you can see the blue and green blinking. Means this DJI Mic Mini is searching for Bluetooth. But on the app, searching only. To connect this DJI mic to your iPhone, you'll have to do is go to settings and go to Bluetooth, and you can see the DJI Mic Mini here. Okay, tap this to connect, and that's it. We have successfully connected. So if this connected, the light is blue color and stable. So okay, go back to your DJI Mimo app, and you can see here the connect button here. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And that's it. We have successfully connected this DJI Mic Mini to your DJI Mimo app. So, okay, here, if this connected, you can now set the auto off. You can enable or disable this. So, if this enable, transmitter will be automatically power off in 15 minutes if not being connected to save power. And also, you can disable or enable the power button noise cancellation here on this DJI Mimo app by switching off the switch button on the right side of this power button for noise, and you can enable again by switching on. If this enable, press the power button on transmitter to reduce noise. So okay, press this power button, and you can see the light indicator is yellow. Stable yellow means the noise cancellation is on or enable. So if this disable, and okay guys, if you press again the power button, the noise cancellation is off on your DJI Mic Mini. And also you can disable or enable the mic LED. So okay, as you can see, the LED is on. So if this turn off or disable the switch button on the right side of this mic LED, the LED is now off, but the DJI mic is on or steady on if the switch button on the right side of this mic LED is disabled. So if you want to enable again, as you can see, the light is on. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully connect the DJI Mic Mini to your DJI Mimo app using iOS or iPhone mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.